ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯ ಮೇಳ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ಲು, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಜನರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ, ಅವರ ಅನುಭವ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹೆಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Hi,
ಓಕೆ.
good evening.
So we are from True Elements. We are a healthy breakfast and snack brand, and we make food that does not lie. So, so basically, there's a tagline that we go by. So what goes on the pack is exactly what is on the inside. We have a wide range of products from oats, muesli, there's granola, there's seeds and seed mixes, as well as we have like new range of products like peanut butter and also a millet range of products. So here, since we are talking about millet products, I'll just walk you through one of our innovative products. This is the cereal biscuit jawar. It's made out of one ingredient only, and that is jawar. So we are using the millet jawar, and this is a normally the biscuits that you have that usually have refined sugar, refined flour. But what we have done is we have removed all of that, and we have come up with one sugar-free product. So we have used the nectar, the stem nectar in jawar, and we have given that sweetener as used as a sweetener for the jawar. And you can have this as evening snack or even as breakfast. Basically, it can also be a healthier replacement to your rusk that you have. So you can have it with milk, tea, coffee.
It's
that
gonna
way.
replace many products.
Yeah, it should
Finally,
basically,
yeah, of course, yeah.
because why do you have to consume say refined flour when you can have something like millets that is so healthy?
It is tasty also.
Which is tastier as well. Then there's also crunchy minis that we have. So this is again made with seeds and seed mixes. It comes in 2 flavors, and we've sweetened it with honey. So it's also available in the chocolate flavor. Then I'll talk about the jawar poha that we have. So poha, everyone likes it, right?
Indians, we do
love
love
poha.
poha,
So especially given that today, people don't have enough time to actually sit and cook elaborate, especially young people like us. So what we can do is, like, this will be a 3-minute breakfast. You just have to add hot water, cover it for 3 minutes, put the lid on, cover it, and it's ready. So especially on days when you want to have a quick breakfast, and mostly we tend to skip breakfast. So this is like a good thing that everyone can try, especially for people who are very busy and stuff like that. You're looking for innovative products, and we have that. So definitely people who are here, people in Bangalore, should definitely come and try and visit our store. We're also available offline. Apart from that, you can also visit the website, and we're available on Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, and other quick comms as well.
You loved this Siridhanya Mela and Karnataka.
Definitely. Why? There's nothing to not love about it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice talking to you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Must Trending for more updates.